Unique DIY woodworking projects for beginners. Wood is one of the most versatile materials in the world. You can use it to ignite fires, create homes, and use it as furniture. If you've ever looked closely at wooden furniture, you couldn't imagine the time and effort spent measuring, polishing, and connecting each piece. Woodworking is a fulfilling hobby, allowing many to create beautiful crafts from natural materials. Woodworking allows you to put your skills to the test to create a masterpiece, whether you purchase wood blocks or use scraps. You've come to the right place if you want a simple but productive project. Keep reading for unique DIY woodworking projects for beginners to try. Why is woodworking such a fulfilling hobby? Woodworking can be a peaceful hobby once you get into your zone. Doing activities we love is an overall mood booster, allowing our brains to release serotonin. The thought of starting your masterpiece is exciting in itself. Can you imagine the feeling when you finish? Your pride will make you more confident to take on other crafts. Working on these builds is also rewarding, especially if you create a unique home furnishing or decoration for yourself or a loved one. With this skill, you can save on purchasing and making many structured items yourself. No one else will have a coffee table or TV console like yours because it's custom built. This customization can help add a personal and artistic flair to your home. 4 unique projects perfect for beginners. There's something satisfying about using wood to create your furnishings. If you're new to woodworking, you're probably searching for easy wooden projects to add to your home. While woodworking can be intimidating, you can always start with easier tasks and build your way up. Starting with an outdoor deck or cabinetry may not be the best idea. However, starting with an armrest table for your sofa, cutting board, or side table is a great launching point for more complex projects. Use your creative skills to make a one-of-a-kind piece. Below are a few beginner-friendly, unique DIY woodworking projects for inspiration. 1. Mid-century modern nightstand. Creating a nightstand is one of the easiest DIY projects you could start and finish in a weekend. Mid-century modern bedside tables are the cheapest furnishings to add to your rooms. Add timeless class to your space with this piece, whether you use it to decorate the primary or additional bedrooms. The best thing about the mid-century style is its compatibility with other types, from simple silhouettes to more complex decorative pieces. 2. Wooden wine rack. Organize your mini bar by creating a wooden wine rack. Doing so will allow you to store your wine in one location safely. Wine racks are a great solution for keeping your space neat and your wine in great condition, whether you have 3 or 30 bottles. The cork will stay moist due to the bottle lying on its side. You can create a more unique wine rack by painting it to match your kitchen or entertainment space. 3. DIY mail organizer. If multiple people in your household receive mail, having the parcels pile up can make your space seem unorganized. Instead of creating a pile of mail on your countertop, you can keep your space neat by creating a DIY mail organizer. This organizer is another unique but simple wooden project you can finish within a weekend that will add flair to your home. Painting it and adding name labels will help everyone find their mail easier. 4. Customized children's table and chair set. Put your woodworking skills to the test by creating a customized table and chair set for your child. This simple project may take longer than a weekend, but it will help you hone your skills. Creating a table and chair set is a great addition to their bedroom or playroom. They can play games and do arts and crafts using this set. Consider asking your child to help you paint and decorate the chair when the set is complete. Things to consider before beginning. Using your creative skills to build furniture is a rewarding experience. Adding unique pieces to your home and indulging in a hobby that makes you happy is also a wellness booster. However, before you head to the store to embark on your project, here are a few things to consider. Do you have enough space? You need some space to immerse yourself into the groove of woodworking fully. While it doesn't require purchasing a shed, you need enough space to house your tools and efficiently use your equipment. Keeping your safety in mind, find ways to readjust your area or work outdoors if you have limited space. If space is still an issue, you should consider alternative projects or find a space where you can build safely. Don't risk your or your family's safety by building in a small, enclosed space. Must have tools for beginners. You need the appropriate tools and equipment to begin woodworking. As a beginner, you shouldn't expect to have all your tools at once. But there are a few must-have tools you'll need for a more simplified experience. 1. Cordless drill. 2. Sander. 3. Circular saw. 4. Miter saw. 5. Jigsaw. 6. Shop vacuum. 7. Clamps. 8. Tape measure. 9. Leveler. 10. Basic toolkit. Having hidden fasteners and connectors to upgrade the overall finish of your wooden project is also something to consider purchasing up front. Prioritize your safety. Woodworking can be dangerous if you don't work safely. The tools you use can cause great harm if mishandled. Your woodwork must be in a child-free environment to prevent accidents. Wearing the appropriate gear, such as gloves, goggles, and ear protection, are just a few ways to protect yourself while woodworking. You should also ensure you have a first aid kit on hand. Create a budget before starting a project. Is woodworking an expensive hobby? Yes and no. As with any hobby, high-quality materials and tools can be costly. However, various ways exist to indulge in woodworking while maintaining a budget. Researching the market and creating a budget for your upcoming projects is a great way to ensure you don't spend too much on materials.
Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.